Today we will study perpendicular axis theorem. Perpendicular axis theorem. It states that sum of moment of inertia about any two axes. Sum of moment of inertia about any two axes which are in the plane of object as well as perpendicular to each other will be equal to moment of inertia about third axis which is perpendicular to the plane and passing through intersection of these two axes. Now, if I have an object such as this planar object and I have these two axes, this and this. This I named as 1 and this I name as 2. So, the moment of inertia and these two axes are perpendicular. So the moment of inertia about the axis number 3, which is passing through this point O and which is perpendicular to both of these 1 and 2 axes, the moment of inertia about this axis I3 is equal to I3 equal to I1 plus I2. In our Cartesian coordinate, I mean that Ix plus Iy equal to Iz. This theorem is applicable only for point objects linear objects and planar object. It is not applicable for, it is a very important point, it is not applicable for 3D objects. let's try one question for the perpendicular axis theorem, which is find Ix, Iy and Iz for the given figure. We have the problem as this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, this is origin. We have 2 point masses as m having coordinate 2, 3 and m having coordinate -3, -4. This is -x -y and this is our z-axis, which is perpendicular -it. Okay, so let's find Ix. We know that Ix is m into distance from x-axis. Distance is 3, so 3 का square plus m into distance from x-axis, which is 4. So this will come out as 9m is plus 16m, which is 25m. Now Iy, m into distance from y-axis, which is 2 का square plus m into distance from y-axis, which is -3 का square. So we get 4m plus 9m, we get 13m. For finding Iz, we will apply perpendicular axis theorem. Since x-axis and y-axis both are perpendicular and z-axis passes through the intersection point of these two axes and is perpendicular to both of these axes. So Iz equal to Ix plus Iy from perpendicular axis theorem. So we get 25m plus 13m. So Iz will be equal to 38m. This is the answer.